Hello there everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to unlock your iPhone 6 Plus from AT&T. Hello there and welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel, we do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you're interested in making an extra $1,000 per week working part-time hours from your phone, then check out the video link in the description. Let's get right to the video now. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up here. I'm going to show you in the settings that it's reading the AT&T SIM card because this iPhone is from AT&T. As you can see, carrier AT&T, although the SIM card that is in here is not activated, but it is a AT&T iPhone 6 Plus. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the SIM card first. As you can see, it's a AT&T SIM card in here, so let's put that down. And let's go ahead and place T-Mobile SIM card. And let's go ahead and place the T-Mobile SIM card in. Okay, and then now we're going to see what happens when you try and insert a SIM card from another carrier. So it's going to say activation required. It's going to take you to this screen. It's going to might give you this message here. Alright, so let's go ahead and connect to a Wi-Fi network. Okay, so there we go. It's connecting to Wi-Fi, so that's the first step. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. Okay, there we go, connected to Wi-Fi. So once it's connected, go ahead and hit next. And it's going to try and activate the phone with the SIM card that you inserted. So since this phone is from AT&T and I inserted a T-Mobile SIM card, it's going to give us this message that the SIM is not supported. And the reason it does that is because the phone is locked to AT&T, so it can't be used on any other carrier. So I'm going to show you how to unlock it now so you can use it on whichever carrier you want to use. So let's remove the SIM card really quickly. Let's put it to the side and let's put the phone down. So we're going to get this special unlock chip that we have. This is what's going to unlock the phone. And we're going to have a link down in the description where you can get this. Okay, so we're going to place the unlock chip in here like this. Okay, position it correctly. And let's go ahead and get the T-Mobile SIM card. So let's go ahead and get this T-Mobile SIM card right here. Place it on the unlock SIM. And let's place it in the phone. And it's going to take us once again to the activation required screen. So here, just hit dismiss. Okay, so once you're here, what we're going to do this time is we're going to hit the home button and we're going to hit emergency call. Here in emergency call, we're going to press star 5005 star 7672 star 0 pound. And then we're going to hit the dial pad. So it's going to take us to this selection right here, this menu. Scroll down and select Edit ICCID. Okay, so once you're here, you're going to type in numbers 8901 4103 2795 2915 and then 5450. Once you have that typed in, hit send. It's going to say setup okay, restart your phone now, so hit accept. And go ahead and power your phone off. Alright, so the phone is going to power on like this. Go ahead and hit continue. As you can see, it's already reading T-Mobile, and there you go. The phone will be unlocked and activated with another SIM card now. So this one I activated it with T-Mobile. As you can see, it says T-Mobile up at the top. So the phone is now unlocked. So let's go ahead and turn Wi-Fi off now. So you can see that it's even going to pick up the data signal. So let's go to the Safari. Let's open up Google, for example. So as you can see, the internet is working as well. Let's try and make a test phone call.
Welcome to Comcast, home of Xfinity.
There you go, and it's also making phone calls as well. So yeah, that was just a quick video on how to unlock your iPhone 6 Plus from AT&T to be able to use it in any other carrier that you prefer. So remember guys, there's going to be a link in the description where you can get your unlock chip, and also I will always have the updated code to use the unlock chip with. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I'll see you around in the next one. And as always, peace.